Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit?
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the birthday mashup of Talapati.
Yes.
So this is going to be a great month for everybody, and I think that's why we thought let's give our reaction on some of the small YouTuber content also, because I think in the end when there will be his birthday date will be nearby, so a lot of the people will give a lot of different mashup. So
Yes.
at that time will be very tough to select which mashup we
Yes.
should give our reaction.
And we always miss some of the important mashups, so
exactly.
we don't want to do that. So that is why we thought of, okay, let's start with this mashup only. It looks very promising actually, and this is Talapati Vijay birthday special magnetic story mashup
Magnetic
2021.
Studio. I don't know what it will be. Right?
And this is from Akhil Cuts. Okay, so let's get started. I think this is going to be very fun to watch, and already we have reacted a couple of Talapati Vijay birthday special mashup, 25 years of Vijayism,
lot of
Talapati, part 1, part 2 journey of Talapati Vijay sir, because Talapati Vijay sir is our favorite, and I think he is a brand. Yes, you are very true. So yeah, let's get started, and this is Talapati Vijay का birthday month है, तो फन होगा, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है, ठीक है? Stay tuned for that, okay? And yeah, let's get started. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Okay. Lot of special thanks. Woo. Okay, this is magnetic studio.
Oh, I like it. Woo. Oh my god. Woo.
Nice, man.
Ah, Terry. Marcel. Oh, he's born
1972.
என்ன மூஞ்சி இது என்ன மண்டி மாதிரி
மூஞ்செல்லாம் யாருப்பா படம் நடிக்க சொல்றது?
சுத்த வேஸ்ட் விஜய் வேஸ்ட்
இதெல்லாம் ஒரு மூஞ்சியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு
The flop days.
yeah,
அழுதான்
the hard times, right?
ஒரு நைட்டு ஃபுல்லாக அழுதான்.
I think everyone faces this kind of issue, no, in their life. Everybody, not only superstar, but also some normal people also face this kind of hard times, hassle.
With those hard times only, people grows.
That time only. This is the master,
Master.
the
Almost
blaster.
every movie we know almost. Maybe we don't know that older movie.
அவர் அதுக்குன்னு ஒரு டைம் எடுத்து முன்னாடியே அதை யோசிச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டு சின்னதாக கை நடுக்கிறதுக்கு கூட அதில் பண்ணியிருப்பார். அது
What an
spoiler இல்ல,
acting,
but
man.
ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சொல்லி ஆகணும்.
His hands were like shaking, you saw? Now the come back.
Oof, Talapati.
दलपति
Talapati.
अभी देखो ना
अभी देखो ना.
अब देखो.
I really like that. I really like that.
And his dance.
Oh my god. That scene. That airport scene, right?
Exactly. You know everything.
Oh my god. Super.
இல்லை ஒரு 2-3 லைன் கொஞ்சம் வேற மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்.
It's really celebration going on. It's like looking like.
Exactly. That matches.
And celebration is going on just like this.
That's super. And these all dance. We love it. Love it. And now Talapati.
Oh, I was screaming like anything in the theater. Okay, just believe me.
You should scream. Yes.
Look at you, Dad. சின்ன குழந்தை
നടൻ വിജയിയെ ആദായ നികുതി വകുപ്പ് കസ്റ്റഡിയിലെടുത്തു. The Income Tax Department raided Tamil actor Vijay's Chennai residence on Wednesday.
Before Master
Oh.
movie. Oh my god.
बाप रे.
This is what he has earned. Right?
எல்லாருக்குமே லைஃப்பில் முன்னுக்கு வர்றதுக்கு நிறையா வாய்ப்புகள் கிடைக்கும். அவ்வளோ ஈஸியான இந்த உலகத்தில் நம்ம வாழ விட மாட்டாங்க. ஒரு வழி பண்ணுவாங்க. அதாவது ஒரு நதி ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து அப்படியே புறப்பட்டு வரும் அதனுடைய ஒரு ஊன் பாதையில் இல்லைங்களா?
நான் தளபதி ஃபேன். நான் வந்து ஒரு பயங்கரமான தளபதி வெறியன்.
இல்லை ஒரு நடிகர் ஒரு நடிகர் வந்துட்டு இருக்காரு, அவருடைய ஃபேன்ஸ் எக்கச்சக்கமாக இருக்கு.
இக்னோர் பண்ணிட்டு உங்கள் வேலையை மட்டும் பார்த்துட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கு. கத்தி கத்தி பார்த்துட்டு டயர்டாயிடும்.
எங்க அண்ணனுக்கு நான் தாண்டா பண்ணுவேன், அப்படி தாண்டா பண்ணுவேன்.
Right? That's Talapati. Hey. That music, right? Master one. That is heart-touching and emotional as well as.
Super. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very good presentation.
Right.
Okay.
I will not say this is the best one, but yes,
Yes.
they, as a small YouTuber, he has done brilliant work.
Brilliant job. Just go and check that channel out. Subscribe him. Okay.
Yes.
He is outstanding.
Right.
Like as per this presentation, the mashup looks phenomenal.
Yes,
It is
exactly.
outstanding.
He has shown some of the hard times. and then after that, Abhi Dekho Na.
Abhi
uske
dekho
baad-
na. I really like that. Abhi dekho na. wo wala. I really like that. I was screaming like anything, and I think like here it was showing mainly the hard times of Vijay sir, and also the way he
The powerful
the
comeback.
powerful comeback, and also the acting skill of Vijay sir. क्योंकि वो जो मास्टर मूवी में जो रो रहे थे, and the
Powerful
way he
acting.
was acting, those are powerful, and he has included those. So I am very happy about that. Really
and also
amazing.
hard times and love from the audiences.
Love from
as
the
well,
audiences,
because
हाँ.
what he has
Yes.
earned, that is very big.
Very
thing,
big,
because,
very big.
We have seen like right that a guy was pouring kerosene or
Yes,
petrol
yes,
something
हाँ.
on his body. So
बाप
that,
रे.
that itself is a huge thing, because this
Seriously.
shows that what a respect he has gained.
He has gained, he has earned this.
Yes.
Moreover, like apart from money, apart from fame, anything, he has earned this one.
Yes.
This love, you know. ये सबके भाग में नहीं होता. Not everybody learns, like earns this.
Exactly.
People are earning money, people are earning fame, people are earning every single thing. Like they can buy cars, they can buy houses, they can have anything. But this one, to get the love support from the followers, from the people,
yes.
you know,
Exactly.
in a state or outside the state, throughout the world. This is actually the important thing. I think
Important.
Talapati
And
Vijay
of
sir
course,
is
this is not
way
an easy
more
task as well.
Yes, yes,
Right.
really very
We have
tough,
seen a lot
difficult
of the
thing.
people, a lot of the people, or a lot
Yeah.
of the film stars also we have seen. They have a huge fan base, but they haven't got that much love these guys have got.
These guys have got, yes. So truly amazing. Talapati Vijay sir is like, he is so genuine personality. The way he talks, you know, here also we have seen some of the clips, right? The way he talks, the way he expresses his view, like everybody should bow their like heads down, because the way he's talking, it is also very important ना कि कैसे तुम बात कर रहे हो. तुम
Somewhat
अगर
I feel like
हाँ, he's very down to earth.
down to earth, and also shy in front of talking everybody. I feel like that.
हाँ
Right?
हाँ हाँ. But in the screen, like in
In
Master
the
movie
screen.
or Teri movie, my God.
He will blast it. Everything,
Blaster, Master the Blaster.
Like Master the Blaster. Okay.
Oh my God. So we are really feeling very happy, and this month is Talapati Vijay का month है. तो एक certain time में मुझे लगा okay, celebration is going on now.
Exactly. A lot of dance moves and everything was there, so it makes us feel like that celebration has already started.
Already started. So
Yes.
what say guys? What is your celebration
Yes.
is like?
What's your plan?
What
and
is
what
your plan?
you are thinking to do on 22nd? Right?
22nd.
So
Yes.
I think he has earned a lot of the things. Whatever I was saying, like it's earning love from the people is not only the one way. You have to do a lot of the things for the people,
This is a two-way
then,
thing,
yes,
of course.
then only people will love you.
Yes.
It's not like that you are not doing anything, you are not caring for the common people, and still people will love.
No.
That will never going to
Nothing
happen.
can be one-handed.
Yes.
Yes. So that is what we are telling. No, कि तलपति विजय सर के अंदर इतना ज़्यादा potential
He
है.
has done a lot of
He has done a
contribution.
lot of contribution. He has done a lot of things for his countrymen,
cause
social things.
Yes,
Like
he has
his
brought lot
movies
of,
also.
Movies also is based upon lot of the social issues also. So those things marvelous.
Phenomenal,
Right.
man. Salute to this
Exactly.
great superstar, and he will always remain our superstar only, okay, no matter what. And I am super duper excited for the Talapati 65 movie, okay.
Yes,
We
of
are
course.
super
Not
duper
only you,
excited with everybody. Yes,
Everybody.
everyone, okay. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I think this is the best ever start of this mashup of Talapati Vijay sir ka birthday special mashup jo hai wo. And yeah, we'll be coming up with more, like lot more birthday special mashups, because every channel will like release like in this way, okay.
Everybody love Talapati, and they are going to make some or the other mashup.
Yes, so we are looking forward to those. And yeah, if you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.